Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify credit freeze with TransUnion online portal step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the TransUnion website. Look for the credit freeze section on the homepage. Click on the option that states Manage a credit freeze. You may be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you need to create an account, follow the prompt to do so. Provide the required personal information to verify your identity. This will typically include your name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Once you have successfully logged in, locate the credit freeze option in your account dashboard. Select the option to verify your credit freeze status. You may need to answer security questions for added protection. Review the information presented about your credit freeze. If necessary, you can update or remove your credit freeze from this section. Make sure to save any changes you make in your account. After confirming your credit freeze status, log out of your account for security. Close your web browser once you have finished. You have now verified your credit freeze with TransUnion using their online portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.